Man, this place goes on forever. They said something nasty's been roaming here.
Guess I better keep my eyes open. Found you.
Let's see if you can chew through this. Try biting that. Not fast enough, mutt. That hurt. Not today. Big paws. Hey, cut it out. That tickles. All right, you win. Just get off, yeah? Ew, gross. Your nose is wet. Back up. Back up.
Yuck. Everything's sticky and it's so cramped in here. The smell's not helping either. Finally. Fresh air, sorta. Thing I've ever done.
Being inside that thing, I feel sick. And wow, I really do smell. Not exactly my finest hour.
Oh, rough day?
You could say that. I just fought a 30-foot wolf and spent a while trapped inside its stomach.
Inside its stomach?
Yeah. Tight space, glowing walls, smelled
You know, sometimes you might find yourself in situations you never expected.
One moment you're fighting a giant wolf, the next, you're inside it.